We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-family home on Sweetland Avenue in Sarasota, Florida. Let's take a quick look. Coat closet as soon as you walk in. And to the right, you can see we have laundry room. You can bring your own washer and dryer. Hookups are included. Utility sink is included. There we go, looking for the light switch. All right. Just had tile floors put in. Property is freshly painted. Everything, if anything that needed to be repaired was repaired. You can see beautiful sliding doors onto a tiled patio. Fenced backyard. Very nice. Glass door goes into the kitchen also. Split plan, so the master bedroom with walk-in closet is on one side of the house. And you, of course, have full master bath with shower. Kitchen, nice cabinets, microwave, oven. Everything's been cleaned for you. As you can see, nice appliances, dishwasher, area for a small table to eat in the kitchen, and of course you have the dining room area here under the chandelier in the great room. So here we have a full bath with the tub, in between two nice bedrooms. So, there you go, Sweetland Avenue, Sarasota, Florida. Contact Real Property Management of Sarasota and Manatee. Did I mention 2-car garage? Yes, 2-car garage also. Thank you, God bless.